Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. Today we will present about if clause. But first, let me introducing myself and my partner. My name is Nadia Aulia Firdaus and my partner is Cantika Krita Amelina and Felicia Farikina. So, let's start the presentation.
On the first page is what is a conditional sentence? Conditional sentence is a sentence used to state something that may or may not happen as accepted. Conditional sentence consists of two parts, the main clause and the if clause. Many conditional forms in English are used in sentences that include verbs in one of the past tense. The second page is the sentence form of conditional sentence. The sentence form of conditional sentence is if clause plus main clause. If clause is a form of conditional sentence desired possibility in English. Main clause is a group of words that contain subject and predicate so that it can form a complete sentence. In addition, the conditional sentence formula can also be resolved into main clause plus if clause. Conditional sentence function. There are several functions of conditional sentence, namely, first, to purpose something that will happen in the future. Second, to purpose something that can't happen now. And the last, to purpose something that has already happened in the past. Example, first, if I save enough money, I can go to Bali this year. Yang artinya, jika aku menabung dengan cukup, aku bisa ke Bali tahun ini. Second, my sister can have dessert if she finishes her homework. Yang artinya, adikku bisa mendapatkan pencuci mulut jika ia menyelesaikan pekerjaan rumah. Third, I will cancel the meeting if she comes late. Yang artinya, saya akan membatalkan pertemuan ini jika dia datang terlambat. And last, if it rains, he will not attend soccer practice. Yang artinya, jika hujan, maka ia tidak akan menghadiri latihan sepak bola.
Types of conditional sentence. Conditional sentence is a sentence that used to state something that may or may not happen as expected. Conditional sentences are divided into four types, namely type 0 conditional sentence, used to state the cause and effect of a fact that is commonly known to be true. First conditional sentence, used to express something that is very likely to happen in the future if we do something. Second conditional sentence, used to express something that is unrealistic or very unlikely to happen. Third conditional sentence, used to express a supposition about an event that has happened in the past. Formula of types conditional sentence. 0. If plus simple present, simple present. Examples, if you drink a glass of milk before sleep, you sleep well. Artinya, jika kamu minum segelas susu sebelum tidur, kamu akan tidur nyenyak. If it rains, the road get wet. Jika hujan, jalan jadi basah. Type 2. First, if plus simple present, simple future tense. Past future plus if plus past tense. Examples, if I come home late, I will get in trouble. Artinya, jika aku pulang ke rumah terlambat, maka aku akan mendapat masalah. Second conditional sentence, if plus past tense, past future plus if plus past tense. Examples, if become the president of this country, I will pay more attention to the education sector. Artinya, jika aku menjadi presiden di negara ini, aku akan lebih memperhatikan sektor pendidikan. Third conditional sentence, if plus past perfect, future perfect Future perfect plus if plus past tense. Examples: if my grades were good, I would have gotten a better job. Artinya, jika nilai-nilaiku bagus, aku pasti sudah mendapatkan pekerjaan yang lebih baik.
Mixed conditional sentence. Mixed type is a sentence that refers to the past, which shows your current condition. Also, the mixed conditional shows the past condition with your current action. So, the use of second conditional and third conditional types is very visible in this type. Example: if you teach me how to make brownies, third conditional, simple past perfect. I wouldn't buy in the store. Second conditional, simple past tense. Conclusion. Conditional sentence is a sentence that used to state something that may or may not happen as expected. Conditional sentences are divided into 5 types, namely first type 0 or zero conditional sentence. Second is type first or first conditional sentence. Third is type second or second conditional sentence. Fourth is type third or third conditional sentence. And fifth is type 4 or mixed conditional sentence. What is a meeting agenda? A meeting agenda is a list of topics or activities you want to cover during your meeting. The main purpose of the agenda is to give participants a clear outline of what should happen in the meeting. Who will lead each task and how long each step should take. How to write a meeting agenda. First, identify the meeting's goal. Second, ask participants for input. Third, list the question you want to address. Fourth, identify the purpose of each task. Fifth, estimate the amount of time to spend on each topic. Six, identify who leads each topics. And the last is end each meeting with a review. So thank you for listening. Does anyone have a question or comments about our presentation? You can give comments on below this video or you can comments on our WhatsApp group. So yeah. Thank you for your listening.
Thank you everyone for the listening and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.